Before we get started, make sure you like my video and subscribe my channel. To clean the air filter of Unicorn, you require only screwdriver set, brush, rod close and diesel.
It's a 3-step process. Step 1. Take out the air filter. The air filter of the Unicorn is present under the seat, so we have to remove the seat first, as well as the tank also, to get an easy access to the filter. Now we can see the cap of the filter. To open this cap, we have to open these 4 screws. Step 2. Cleaning the components. Now we have the components of the filter. We shall clean them with diesel and cloth. Step 3. Assembly. Now the components are clean, we shall put the filter and the components back in the bike.